Hey guys, I'm Kim, and this is Little Man Cave on the Prairie. Today, we are doing a head gasket and a timing belt. So this all started in February as a timing belt replacement, at which point we decided to change the spark plugs. Once I got the spark plugs out, there was all kinds of rad fluid in my first cylinder there, so it was now do a head gasket problem, along with a timing belt problem. So that was the timing belt, and now you're all up to date with what we've done so far. So let's just start with getting everything out of the way to get down to the head. So now that we've got the hoses, the clips, and the fuel line disconnected, we can remove the intake, the valve cover, and the exhaust. have to take off the cam in order to get to the head bolts. So what I'm doing right now is taking off the camshaft carrier caps, but they have to be done in sequence. So I'm going to put up a diagram so you can see the sequence that they come off instead of filming me taking all these off. So now it's time to take off the head bolts. Since it's weekend and all, figured I'd recruit a helper. Mary Alice is rig and all, so she's here.
Hey guys.
I'm also going to put a diagram of this, like the sequence for removal on this, just so you know how to take them off. There's a special order to take them off at.
And remember guys, you can't use the same head bolts twice because they're garbage.
We also have to take off the top line, water line that goes to the head. The bottom one can stay.
That's what I could do.
So now that we got the head off, we're going to give everything a really good clean. But first, let's check out the new parts.
Heck yeah, I love new parts.
Alright, so we got all our parts. We got our water pump gasket. We got our new head bolts. Okay, like the box. As you noticed in the video, my timing belt cover was already broken. So I ripped that one out and bought a new one. Yay, nice and fancy. Oh, sweet. All these little gaskets. So this is the head gasket kit, all the things that came with it. This stuff here I had to buy separately because it's for the timing belt, or for the timing. But I'm going to start with the valve stem seals first. In order for me to get the valve stem seals out, I went and bought one of these tools just to make life easier. Okay, so I gotta move the rocker arm over so that I can get my spring remover tool on. I'm compressing the spring so I can get the retainers, the keepers out. Have to keep the thing like just dead center so you can get these out. They're kind of tricky. Okay, now that I got the keepers in, I can just lift the spring back up. I'm just going to push the valve out. It might even just want to fall out, so I'm on the other side of it, grabbing onto it. Okay, now I'm going to take this side off. This side is just held on by a spring, comes off pretty easy. There. Okay, so we got everything cleaned up and disassembled. Stay tuned for part 2 where we put all new gaskets and reassemble it and get the engine running to timing. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in the next one.